Photos of real estate properties are great, but to really add value is to have more property information at your fingertips to fully understand the whole layout of the home. Virtual tours offer navigation around the home, but iGuide offers even more. Accurate floor plans, 360 images, room dimensions, photos, and more help home buyers make faster decisions when they want to view the home or even put an offer on it right now. Since COVID, virtual tours offer a safe way to view homes, and this is essential in keeping everyone healthy. In markets with reduced inventory, more buyers have a chance to walk through the property to make a decision if they even want to book a realtor to see the home. If they really love it, they have a chance to throw in an offer. They might even just look at the virtual tour and throw in an offer. All right, before we get into the reasons why we should be using the iGuide virtual tour or why you should be booking it, what is iGuide? Well, iGuide is the technology behind the whole virtual tour. This is the actual camera. Put it right in front. So what we got? On top, it's actually a Ricoh camera. It's got a lens on the front, lens on the back. So what happens is when you record the actual room, the 360, it takes a picture on both sides. It's automatically stitched. You got perfect 360. Right below the camera system, this is the laser down below. So it's doing a laser all around. So it measures laser accurate, pro precision measurements of the room. So as you set it in the room, you'll be set in different places. It's going to measure everything perfectly. On the bottom, you'll see there's a USB. This is where it stores everything, and where it sets on the tripod. Very nice, very convenient, very light. Set on the tripod, you use an actual phone. You go around the corner, hit the button, records the picture, move the tripod, go to the next one, and move on. Very fast, very efficient. Love this system. This is called the iGuide Planix. Here are the top 5 reasons to book an iGuide virtual tour. Number 1, top-notch navigation that will take you through the entire home. 360 panoramics will aid in seeing the whole floor plan. Why click and click and click and click through the home to get to the living room, to the bedroom, when just one click with the nodes on the actual floor plan, you can go from room to room. Very fast, very intuitive. Number 2, take a tour and visually explore the details of the home like you were standing in the property. You need to better look at the appliances, what brands they are, what conditions of the home, the ceilings, or even peek outside the windows at the view. Get a more immersive experience that still photos can't offer alone. Number 3, accurate floor plans are measured with a laser scanner to within 0.5%, 0.5% or better of the square footage of the home. These scans are digitized by drafting people to create floor plans. Real people. Realtors will be confident in their room measurements, and viewers will gain trust in knowing the home is not misrepresented. Reason number 4, room measurements are given in a report for the realtor and are also accessible by the viewer on the Details tab on the virtual tour. No need to dig out the measuring tape or digital tape measure anymore. It's all right there. Save you time as a realtor. Number 5, advanced measurements can be done on the interactive floor plan or in the 3D space. A buyer can check if their furniture fits in the space quickly and accurately. Plan upgrades for kitchen renos, window updates, replacements on flooring, and more using the measurements. I have one more bonus tip, but before that, hit the like if you're getting information from this. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos on real estate and real estate photography related videos to help you grow your business. Here we are with the bonus tip. Number 6, book a virtual showing. Yes, you can book a virtual showing and navigate through the home and watch the iGuide as others watch the iGuide with you. Basically, you are sharing a link with them. They click on the link and they follow along. Your actions will be mirrored on the screens of the participants. Just use the share button that you see on the tour and connect with potential buyers. This works great with Zoom, Skype, Facebook Messenger, and so much more. You can just share the link too and just follow along through a voice call, and it works great. Saves you time, no picking up person, going to the home, doing a tour if they can't. For example, I have a dentist, she was looking for a home, and in a fast market, she found it extremely difficult to take time off her job as a dentist with bookings and everything. And by the time she's done work at 5 or 6 o'clock, well, the house has probably got bids on it and sold. So virtual tour, she could go online real quick, look at it, and she's like, if I'm interested, I'll throw in a bid without even being there, and I'll take a chance. But it gives her a chance to actually see the home without being there. If you like this video, thumbs up, and I hope to see you in more videos in the future. I'm Scott, and thanks for watching.